In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Replit to Uptimerobot in a step-by-step guide tailored for 2025. So let's dive right into it and ensure your online projects run smoothly without any interruptions. First things first, start by opening your Replit project. You can do this by logging into your Replit account and navigating to the project you want to connect to Uptimerobot. Once you're in, you'll need to locate the URL for your project. This URL is crucial because it's what Uptimerobot will use to monitor your project's uptime. Simply copy this URL, making sure to get the entire address, as this will be our main point of interaction with Uptimerobot. Next, you want to head over to the Uptimerobot website. If you haven't already, log into your account. Now, if you don't have an account, don't worry, the sign-up process is pretty straightforward. After logging in, the next step is to set up a new monitor. On the Uptimerobot dashboard, look for the option to create a new monitor. This feature is usually prominently displayed, so you should have no trouble finding it. Once you've clicked on the option for a new monitor, you'll see various fields that need to be filled out. Look for the field labeled URL or IP. This is where you'll paste the URL from your Replit project that you copied earlier. Make sure you paste it correctly to avoid any tracking errors. The next step is to decide on how you will receive alerts about your project's status. Click on the section that asks how they should notify you. Uptimerobot offers different notification methods, from email alerts to app notifications. Choose the method that best suits your preference and technical needs. Remember, the goal here is real-time monitoring so you can address any issues promptly. With notifications set, you're almost done. Go ahead and click on the button labeled Create Monitor. This action completes the process, and Uptimerobot will start monitoring your Replit project. You'll be notified based on the options you selected earlier whenever your project goes offline or back online. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your Replit project to Uptimerobot. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you can ensure your application is always available and you're instantly informed if anything goes wrong. This way you can focus on developing amazing projects without worrying about downtime. Thanks for watching and happy monitoring.